Bridges, culture, live entertainment and football history. Today I'm exploring Sunderland city centre, from the banks of the River Wear to some of the city's most famous landmarks. Let's uncover what makes Sunderland such a fascinating place to visit. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So this this episode will be a walk around Sunderland city centre. First of all, I'll be visiting St. Peter's and just having a proper little mooch about. Visiting St. Peter's, began to the city centre of Sunderland, have a much about at Keel Square and see what happens really. And thanks to everyone for liking the videos and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot and it helps the channel grow, so it's very much appreciated. So thank you for that. I think I'm going to head to a place called Sheepfolds. It's a newly regenerated area of Sunderland, next to the Stadium of Light, of the new footbridge in Sunderland. So I think I'm going to go to Sheepfolds for a coffee and then go over the bridge over to the city centre and see what it's got to offer. So that was Sheepfolds. quite good. Some nice vendors in there. Now I'm going over the new Keel Crossing in Sunderland. This links Sheepfolds with the city centre. It's a big, massive part of the regeneration of Sunderland. I haven't been in Sunderland for a long time, so I think it's changed since the last time I've been. Where the Vaux Brewery used to be, regenerated. It's a new city hall. That was Keel Square. I think they have some events on there, music events, and that has a big screen. So there used to be Crow Tree Leisure Centre. The fire station. This is supposed to be the culture quarter. Empire. Let us know in the comments where you want us to walk next. I'm always open to options. Off to the lakes, Coniston, next week, the 23rd. Well, not next week, a little bit after next week, so can't wait for that. have enough of them. Loads of people have said to us, like, you've got a good eye. Well, that's Sunderland city centre done. I've tried to get as much in as I can, but don't think there's a great deal there. Tell you the truth, I've just done over 4 miles, so it's not a wasted journey. Get us out, and that's the most important thing. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, give the channel a subscribe and a share. Press the bell, helps the channel massively, so thanks very much. See you in the next one.